This is the before photo. For the first step, we will going to separate the white, dark, and other colors from each other. Then soak it for about 10 minutes. After soaking the clothes for about 10 minutes, we will now going to put a liquid detergent so we can now start washing it using our hands. When we already hand wash it, we will now double rinse the clothes using a clean water to make sure that there's no detergent left in the clothes that we are washing. After double rinsing the clothes, we will now start hanging it to dry the clothes. And we're done! This is what it looks like after.